Speaker, but before I speak, I think the Honorable Barsaga is standing up. So if he will have any manifestations, I will yield the floor to him.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize Honorable Kiko Barzaga.
Honorable Kiko Barsaga is hereby recognized.
Okay, testing. Good. I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional mandate of serving the
Mr.
people is
Speaker,
inconsequential
point of
in
order.
relation to the amounts of lives
Mr. Speaker,
and
point of
futures
order.
that will be saved when
Majority
President
Leader.
Marcos leaves Malacanang. It took the deaths and imprisonment
Point of
Majority
order,
Leader.
Mr. Speaker.
thousands to bring Marcos Sr. to
Point of order,
justice.
Mr. Speaker.
My punishment is only the beginning of our fight against the
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize Chairman Abalos for the point of order.
Dear colleagues.
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Honorable JC Barsaga is JC
Mr.
Abalos is hereby
Speaker,
recognized.
Mr. Speaker, may I be recognized? The respondent has already spoken. He has said that he has accepted the imposed penalty under the committee report. Therefore, I reiterate the motion to consider the adoption of the committee report and call the roll of members for nominal voting.
Mr. Speaker, I just yielded to the Honorable Barsaga. The floor is mine.
But Mr. Speaker, I have a point of order.
Majority Leader.
Okay.
What's the point of order, Mr. Speaker? May I know from the chairman?
Mr. Speaker, as sponsor of this resolution, I have not yet yielded my time to the respondent.
Majority Leader.
If the chairman so wishes, he has his time, Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
Honorable JC Abalos is hereby recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to point out that as sponsor of this resolution, it is my time regarding this measure that we are deliberating right now. I would also like to put on record, Mr. Speaker, that the respondent has been given an opportunity to explain his defense at the proper forum, and we have accorded him that, Mr. Speaker. That is all, Mr. Speaker. Maraming salamat po.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, there is a pending motion to
Mr.
consider
Mr. Speaker,
committee
may I ask
report.
if the sponsor is willing to yield to a few questions?
Mr. Speaker, may I
Mr.
request suspension for a few minutes?
1 minute suspension.
Call the roll of members for nominal voting for adoption of the committee report.
There's a motion to adopt the
Mr.
finding.
Speaker, the Honorable sponsor was willing to yield to a few questions.
Mr. Speaker, there's already a motion, and pursuant to our rules, Rule 121, the period of voting can no longer be interrupted by any motion or issue.
Mr. Speaker, the voting hasn't started yet, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I do not hear the chairman yielding to any more questions.
So
After the 27 pages of the committee report, Mr. Speaker, Honorable Chanco, let's allow the members to decide on a question of discipline, whether they agree to the committee report. If they agree, they will vote yes. If they do not agree, they will vote no. So let's hear the members and call the roll of members.
Mr. Speaker, can we know from the chairman if he's willing to yield to a few questions or not? No? No? Not willing to yield to questions?
Mr. Speaker, I reiterate my motion to call the roll of members for nominal voting immediately.
The Secretary General is hereby directed to call the roll of members for nominal voting. No more interruptions.
Roll call of members on the adoption of the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report Number 28 on Committee Case Number SC-2025-03 on the matter of Representative Francisco Kiko A. Barzaga, 4th District of Cavite. Abalos. Abante. Asidre. Acop. Acosta. Adyong. Advincula. Agaraw. Agyaw. Alano. Alba. Albano. Almario Chino Miguel. Almario Dennis. Almonte. Alvarez Jose. Alvarez Mercedes. Amante. Amatong. Ang. Angara. Angeles. Aquino. Aquino Magsaysay. Arbison Munir. Arbison Munir Jr. Arenas. Arrogancia. Asistio. Ataide. Aumentado. Ayon. Bagaw. Balindong. Banyas Nograles. Bangkoro. Bangkoro. Barba. Barbers. Baronda. Barzaga. Baskug. Bautista Claude. Bautista Joan Monique. Bautista Lim. Beltran. Benitez Alfredo. Benitez Javier Miguel. Bernos Ching. Bernos JB. Biron. Bocobo. Bolilia. Bondok. Briones. Bulot Begtang. Cagas. Calderon. Calixto. Kawagdan. Kari. Castro. Caiton. Celeste. Sandanya. Ceniza. Chan. Chua. Chuatay. Chungalaw. Ko Pilar. Coanco Jaime Eduardo Mark. Coanco Mark. Colliantes. Corvera. Cruz Agatha. Cruz Ricardo. Cruzado. Cua. Dagook. Dalog. Dayang Hirang. Daza. De Jesus. De Lima. De Venecia. Defensor. De Gamo. Del Mar. De Los Santos. Di Makuha. Di Maguila. Di Maporo Imelda. Di Maporo City Amina. Diokno. Dionisio. Domingo. Domogan. Duterte Harold James. Duterte Omar Vincent. Duterte Paulo. D. Faustino. D. Faustino Michael Carlos. D. Ian Paul. Elago. Emano. Enverga. Erice. Escudero. Espares. Espina. Estrella. Ferrer Antonio. Ferrer Jeffrey. Flores. Fortes. Frasco. Fresnedi. Puentebella. Galang. Galeyos. Garbin. Garcia Albert. Garcia Dante. Garcia Jose Arturo. Garcia Karen Hope. Garcia Maria Angela. Guardiola. Garin. Gatchalian. Gato. Clepa. Go. Gomez. Gonzales Alexandria. Gonzales Alisa Micaela. Gonzales Christopher Sheen. Gonzales Roy. Goriseta. Guico. Gintu. Gulyas. Gutierrez. Hernandez Charis Ann. Hernandez Dennis. Hernandez Ferdinand. Hernandez